Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make Avalanche Slime, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below something, and yep, that's pretty much it from me. The things you'll be needing are a bowl, a spatula, clear glue, school glue, colors, an airtight container, and also borax. The recipe that I use is 1.5 teaspoons of borax dissolved in this container. Now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so in your bowl you want to pour in enough clear glue to fill up 3/4 of your container. And you just want to make a really basic clear slime. You just add the activator until you get the perfect texture. You guys know the deal. And once it gets to this stage, you obviously want to knead it until it becomes a perfect clear slime. I like to put borax on my hands so it's a little bit easier to knead. A good thing to keep in mind is to overactivate the slime just so that when it sits in the container it won't be like super sticky. So here's the fun part. You get to split your slime and then you get to color each of the sections. So I went with a beautiful blue, a hot pink, and also a really nice maroon color. And this was very enjoyable. I actually made another one. As you can see right here, I kind of like put it in dollops. So you're going to grab your container and just put all of your colors into it, and make sure that your container is underfilled with the clear slime so we have room for the white slime. Speaking of which, we're going to start making that. So, just white glue, activator, and you just want to make enough to fill up the container. So unlike the clear slime, I do recommend making this one slightly sticky so it can help do its science avalanche-y, thing. Okay, so you know what to do. Just put that on top until it fills up the container, put a lid on it, and you wait. And you want to know how long you wait? 2 days. 2 days! I know, it's so frustrating. But I'll see you guys in 2 days. Okay, so this is the one that I actually didn't film. And I think I like this one a little bit better than the one I did film, just because it kind of looks like more galaxy kind of thing. So this is the one that I didn't film. It is still very beautiful, but I don't like it as much. But yeah, sorry the way this is like set it up. I kind of filmed it the wrong way on accident. Oops. But you know, the slime was still pretty, and I like it.